Multilogin is a reliable tool that allows you to manage multiple accounts safely, without the risk of bans. In this demo, we'll use its built-in proxies to create browser profiles for your accounts. Let's get started. First, open your Multilogin workspace. This is the main dashboard where you'll work with your profiles, create, sort, and manage them. Click Create to begin setting up a new browser profile. Name your profile. If you're working with websites that require trust, enable pre-made cookies. This helps the profile look like a returning user instead of a fresh one. Use tags and notes to organize profiles by project, region, or platform. Later, you can filter or group profiles instantly. Choose which tab opens first, then select the browser core, operating system, and storage type. You can also enable Android mobile browser emulation if you want the profile to behave like a mobile user. Go to the Proxy tab. Select residential or mobile proxies and choose your connection protocol, HTTPS or SOCKS 5. Set Spain as your target country. You can narrow down to specific cities like Madrid, Barcelona, or Valencia for localized activity. You may select a specific ISP to match real regional networks more closely. Click Check Proxy to confirm your IP and geographic location are correct before launching. Configure fingerprint options if you need to. Multilogin offers 55+ fingerprinting controls, helping each profile act like a separate, real user. Click Create to save your profile with all settings applied. Your Spanish profile is ready to launch. Use it for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or business tools that require location-specific access. If you'll be using Spain proxies often, create a proxy template so you don't repeat this setup each time. Click Create to add a new proxy template. Repeat the proxy settings, connection type, protocol, and city selection. Click Create again to save your reusable template. Your template now appears in the Proxy tab list. You can apply it instantly whenever you create new profiles. Need identical setups? Simply clone an existing profile. Each cloned profile is isolated but shares the same proxy and fingerprint settings. Specify how many copies of your profile you need, then click Clone. Return to your profile and click Launch. A verification window will appear. Confirm your IP, region, and browser environment. After that, your Spanish proxy profile is now set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple accounts through Spanish proxies. Start your trial today and grow your business.